welcome back to Soai, and in today's experience we're going to be playing a little bit of a Uber delivery boy. But before we get into that, so I mentioned in the last video that there are a couple people here that wanted to link up with me and meet me, and I did mention a couple. So today the wife, she said to me, hey, she's going to be at work today. She made some type of meatball sandwich thing and this pastry that I'm so excited to try. So I'm on my way to meet up with her and I'm gonna try that. And then later on, I'm gonna make something that she saw on my profile and have her try it. I always find it a pleasure to meet you guys. That's why I have a big smile on my face. I'm super excited because this couple, I literally saw them grow. Like I saw them get married, I saw them have a little kid, you know, so it's a pleasure to not only just see what they post on social media, but to also get a try of those foods and for me to also share a part of myself with them as well. So yeah, I'm almost, to where I need to get to. You know, we are in Manhattan, so it's a pretty busy city. It's raining today. Took the train over here, which for me is always an exciting experience because you see a bunch of different people on the train and it's super fast, man. I got here in like 30 minutes, give or take, from Brooklyn, so that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go pick up this food and I'm super excited to meet you today.
Yeah, word.
Are you like that?
No, I'm saying like that's probably what you think of when you think of lawyers and like.
No, but I'm still, yeah, exactly. I'm asking, are you like that?
Oh, I like that, yeah.
All right, so finally here, arrived. Yeah, not gonna be showing who I'm meeting up with today because of course some people, yeah, it's a dangerous world out there, man. And it just made me think too, like I just met with, she brought two females in here and we were just talking for probably like 20 minutes just about a bunch of stuff, you know, culturally, you know, what is it like being in New York, the dating scene, the food scene, you know, just the way people walk in unison here. And it made me think to myself, I'm like, yo, I've met people throughout the years that it's my first time ever meeting them. I met them through the good use of social media. Funny enough, someone messaged me even today and she was just like, I would like to cook for you. You could come pick it up in Brooklyn. And I was just like, do I trust that? So they were asking me, you know, how I met this person. And like I mentioned to you guys before when I was outside that, you know, it was just through social media, followed each other, speaking over the years. And I think that's the way social media should be used. It's not just about the clout or, you know, the money chasing or the hoeing or whatever. You know, it's really about connecting with people. That's why it's called social media. You know, so over the years, I got to meet got to know this person, and you know, finally got to meet her. Kind, very amazing person. And her man's is kind of mad because she said she got to meet me first, so it's kind of funny. But eventually, I'm sure I'll get to meet up with him too. So yeah, I'm just here waiting around a little bit until she's done with work. That's something that I noticed too in New York, which is culturally different from where, you know, I'm from in Jamaica. You know, the work ethic here in terms of the busyness, the late hours, it's different. So it's like 5:35 here, and she was supposed to be done from 5, but you know, she's still handling some business. So big up to people who live in New York. Big up to the New Yorkers, man. All of you guys, whether you are a bus driver, you know, a teacher, street sweeper, whatever you are out here, especially if you're from Jamaica, big up to you for coming to a new country and like, you know, making the best out of your opportunity. Yeah, I'm gonna be an Uber delivery person at some point in this video, and that's gonna be cool for me. don't know if you guys are as excited as I am, but this cake, it looked bouncy. She was there complaining, saying, oh, she wanted the frosting to be room temperature. So it's a rum, motor and water. So it's a rum frosting. There's clearly evidence here. Why is she married? Shoot. Mm-mm. My cake are nice and moist. Mm-mm. Yeah. This is a very good carrot cake. I don't know how I'm gonna top this. I saw her make it from scratch via social media. You know, the carrots, them, it's just so good. This is how I like my carrot cake. And that rum frosting on top is good. I'm not sure if it's a cream cheese frosting. I'm not tasting a lot of cream cheese if it is one. But this one is really, really good. And just the moistness of the cake. The moistness is top tier. I'm not even trying to be extra here. Like this is, I know me know good food, you know. Me know good food. Me can just look on food on social media and say, yo, that the food then I'm good. And if I see all this girl cook her food, I say, yo, the honey no normal. So this was very good. It's exactly what I expect from a carrot cake. It is a rum cream cheese frosting on top. Nice, not too sweet. Perfection. And I got a whole cake for myself. Yeah, until I forget to go for our next slice, cause it's nice.
You want to share here?
For now, bring all me. Yeah, let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. You see right now?
Bad one. Alright.
Thank you. Get a youths work hard in our life. You understand? So they can come work in a nice office or have them nice office culture. Office all of all milk, Surge Island.
Yeah, that's one.
We tell you what, hey, all inside, I tell you the toaster oven of touch, no, not toaster oven, the toaster of touch screen. I can't ready for call somebody FaceTime, you know? That tell you, toaster bad. Cheers. Best decision since today.
So I got a take-home bag with a Mediterranean DIY sandwich. Then unexpectedly, we headed to the waterfront for tacos. I think it's called Tacos versus Burritos. Cute little spot, wasn't fussy looking, felt like a hole in the wall kind of place. And the food, mwah, said exactly that. We got Cajun shrimp tacos, carnitas, carne asada, fish tacos, and the loaded nachos. Beautiful spread. Now, what I like is the food not only looked good, it tasted good. And immediately I knew, during its busiest hours, it was a place where you could line with friends and where the food complemented the vibe, where laughter had a flavor, and return here would be more than just seasoned. Now, to my DIY sandwich, I had that for breakfast, and so this is my little take-home plate from yesterday. Scratching my head on this one because I have to figure out how to assemble it. So this is I think it's a pita bread, and this vegetable mixture here, and this, I guess this is a sauce for it. I tasted lemon. Well, I know that lemon's in there because she told me, but this is yogurt. Yeah, I'm sure this is yogurt and lemon, something citrusy, and then escovitch, and then lamb meatballs. So I can kind of heat up this little bit, and then put this in the microwave, minus the foil, of course. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I got some hot balls. It's juicy. Okay. It's a true yard man, I eat bars, brother. Take too much and I'll come up to save some for your next sandwich. So this I test one. Come on now, me I do. And I say, I don't even know if a salad fit eat by itself, separate or what. God then said this a Mediterranean. What? Mediterranean? So? Bro, I don't even know. I guess what? One destination. One place. Drop one nice up on here. I'll be rolling with this, isn't it? I think my bossy back. It's like it has some little herbs in there, kind of black it up a little bit, you know? Ooh. Yeah, what's that again? But you know, chop with it there, you know? Bro, this, I tell you, I'm onto something here. I'm gonna mountain today.
Good afternoon. I think we're probably like 3 weeks behind in me doing this in the video. So the other parts you guys might have seen me hanging with a subscriber for a second. Got some really incredible food, and I'm very reciprocal. You know, you do nice things to me, I'm gonna do nice things for you. So I've wanted to make her something throughout that time, but I've just been super busy. New York, I haven't been here for a long time. I've been meeting up with a lot of you guys, friends, catching up with old acquaintances, things like that. And I've been just thoroughly enjoying it. Besides that though, I am going to finish off the video by going to grab some ingredients. I'm going to make a quick cornmeal pudding. I'll make some other food for her at some other point in time, but this is going to be quick and easy. I can make enough to share to people that are close by to me. Not selling it, it's going to be for free. Unfortunately, by the time you see this video, it's already done. But for those on my Instagram or people who I might talk to specifically and they wanted to try it, I'm going to make it for them. I'm not going to do the whole showing you how to do it. I've probably done that pudding maybe twice on my channel, once outdoors, I'm certain one at home, and there's a video on TikTok. You guys can go check it out. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get the ingredients now. There's a nice greengrocer down here that I like so much. I might do a video on that place, show you guys. I love it because you can get almost everything you want Jamaican, and that's a good thing about being in New York. You find a lot of Jamaican products, whether it be coconut milk pack, ginger beer, everything. I love that about it here in BK. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the store. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna grab. Hopefully I can get some rum because I usually add a little bit of rum. So I'm gonna see if I can find that. And yeah, bake this cake, link these people tomorrow. I'm gonna bake it early in the morning tomorrow. One I'm gonna drop off, and that's for my friend that I met in Manhattan. And yeah. All right, so I just got some rum just now, some Jamaican rum from the liquor store behind me. I got not the smallest flask, but the next size costs $15. Yo, that's cool, yo. I don't need that much rum for what I'm making, but it's really cool having rum. I think, especially if you're gonna make things like curry goat, you can add rum to it. So having Jamaican rum on you is just top tier, man. And like, again, I like that about Brooklyn. You can find a lot of the Jamaican stuff. Anyhow, I'm about to head into the store really quick and get some of the main ingredients. All right, so in the store now, I'm not gonna show you everything I'm gonna get, but ginger. I doubt this is Jamaican ginger, but it's coming from another country that makes this kind of organic ginger. So you can see how they're not as big as the American ones. Yeah, this is a good one. It's very, I don't know which one is better because, I know which one is better. This one is better. This one is more concentrated, but it's smaller. The other one is bigger, but it's less concentrated. I don't even know. For me personally, I choose this. Bigger is not always better. So, yeah, and there's also coconuts here. I don't move this thing out the way. And there's coconuts here. I think the guy said it's like $3. Man, these coconuts are really small. $3, shoot. That is like $4.50. Jamaican. It's pretty expensive, but we gotta make it work. So part of me kind of knew it was gonna happen. I was gonna mention it actually, because backyard, sometimes you can crack the coconut at the store and double check to make sure it's good. But I cracked this, and yeah, it's not good. So I'm gonna bring it back. Hopefully I don't need to show no receipt or anything. But let's go. Hey, my coconut was bad. Can I change it?
Sure.
So I'll just pick up one.
Yeah, and then let him break it, okay?
Okay, cool. Oh, perfect. Thank you. I never realized that. So they have a spot where they break it before and just bag it out. So learn something today. Yo, I made 7 of these and I only got 2 left. All right, so made it into Manhattan, and it's pretty much warmer here than the last 3 weeks when I had initially come out here. I'm just hoping that these puddings taste really good, because you guys know, I'm not trying to make excuses, but the ingredients here, and I know a lot of our people, when you come here, you find the ingredients are a little bit different. So you might have to kind of amend your recipes or the way you cook just to fit in with what we have here. Anyhow, I'm heading to her place really quick. I got 2 of them. One is for her and one is for her partner. Big up yourself, dog. You know yourself already. And yeah, let's do this. I'm nervous as hell, but anyway, all right. All right, so we dropped off the pudding. Feel really good because my friend showed that she liked it. I'm really happy about that because remember, she's a big chef. So the food that she made for me at the start of the video was really, really good. So she had like 2 slices right there then, so that made me feel really good. And now I got to head back home really quick to pick up another cake to go over to Queens. Another friend of mine said she really wanted to try it. So yeah, I made like 6 cakes. I probably have like 2 left, and those 2 are already spoken for already. So yeah, it's a good vibe. Just allowing people to try the food that you make. I think that's the beautiful thing about food. When you make good food, can't mean it, you can't stingy with it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna see how I get over there, and I'll keep you guys in the know. But yo, New York hot, bro. Like New York hot, like you feel thick. You feel different compared to Jamaica. It's a different kind of feeling. All right, I'm gonna go in, cool off, and then head back on the road again. I don't even know where I'm in this video. I'm just filming stuff, filming my experience while I'm here. I did mention I was supposed to go to Queens or something like that. That never happened. My friend just came over. Never seen her for probably like 6 years or something like that. It was cool catching up. I'm gonna try to pop on the screen, like, you know, people's feedback. Long story short, everybody enjoyed it. I still have 2. I made 7. I only have 2 left. Tomorrow, some people are going to pick it up. I'm going to have to also bake extra because I'm going to take some to church, and I'm now getting a call. Man, give me a second. Where was I? Yeah, I'm going to have to bake more because some people want another one. So long story short, people enjoyed it. I'm going to end the video here. Big shout out to my subscriber, my friend, I can say. Enjoyed spending some time with you in Manhattan. Thank you for taking me to that amazing taco place. Thanks for also every time I pop into the office, you know, you share your people with me, you share your food with me, and that's what this channel is really about. It's about food, travel, and just really connecting with people. I call this channel Soai, Stuck on an Island, and it's not, people think that I mean you're stuck in Jamaica. It's really a state of mind where you feel like you're stuck on an island, and when you're stuck on an island, you just want to meet really good people. You want the chance to communicate, you want to find food, you want to find some adventure, and that's what it's about. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.
Alright, so I'm tasting this cornmeal pudding with the custard at the top. Let's see. A1.
What you like about it?
So it really is sweet at the top, and then it's more mellow at the bottom, so it just balances out perfectly, and it's nice and soft too.
So I think my own beat one out everywhere the stuff.
Yeah, which one? The pudding place?
Yeah.
This one beat it.
Straight.
Pudding place have to go. Okay?
Love that.
This is good.
Brother. Me don't know, you know. Look like me have to go put you up room and board, you know, brother. Yo, you sitting you remind me of grandma cooking, bro. Me not lie. I'm a mama cooking this, man.
Big back, big back, big back, big back.